Oh, you got one. You about to yeet it out of the water for real.
I think I snagged it.
Oh yeah, you did.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I uploaded a video, but me and Tiffany has had a lot of things going on, and as you guys can tell, I'm not in Colorado anymore. So me and Tiffany, we both we've moved back to Georgia. Georgia is where our family's from. We moved back. It's been 3 weeks now, but when we first moved back, we went on vacation. We went down to Florida, and Tiffany went on a cruise, and me and my younger brother David, we went fishing down in Miami. So I was gonna film that trip, but as of right now, it's not a good time of the year to be fishing down there. So there wasn't much action, you know, not enough footage to show you guys. But I'll insert a video here.
Oh, there you go.
It's a small one.
It's good.
And so yeah, me and David, we finally knocked out peacock bass off our bucket list. And from there, we stayed in Miami for 2 days. And then me and David went up to Lake Okeechobee. And even there, we took our kayaks. And even there at Okeechobee, it was pretty slow. So me and David booked a charter with Captain Angie at Okeechobee. And yeah, the whole trip we only caught, well, this is the biggest bass that we've caught on that trip. And then other than that bass, we got like 2 smaller ones and then just a bunch of catfish, which was pretty odd because we were bass fishing and they were hitting bass lures and stuff. So yeah, like I said, that vacation, it wasn't enough action to film a video, so I didn't do that. But yeah, finally got around to, you know, we settled down a little bit here in Georgia. So me and Tiffany came up to this area. It's called Nimblewell. I think it's called Nimblewell Gap Road. It's a Forest Service road. But me and my buddies, we camped here a couple times. But this trip is me and Tiffany came here to do some fishing. But fortunately, there's no fish here. Not sure why, but this is one of the common pool that the fish gets well, kind of, you know, stay here. But there's no fish here other than some minnows and stuff. But yeah, so me and Tiffany, we're gonna pull out and we're gonna hit Bull Mountain, which is just down the road, and go hit Bull Mountain, go over the ridge down to the valley, and on the other side there's a fish hatchery, and there should be fish down there too, but we'll see. Well, we are at the hatchery.
Mimi, you having fun? This is weird. Let's see if 2 caught anything. He just started. You see him, babe? You see him?
Yeah. The hell, I lost one. bobber stopper.
What the? Look at two trying so hard to catch a fish. These fish are super smart. I guess a lot of people fish in this area. So I guess when they see people hanging out, they don't want to bite. But there's a lot of fish in there. There's a lot of bugs.
There are 20 people fishing.
Well, maybe they're gone. Was that you? Ooh. You missed it. That was a pretty good one.
Yeah. I didn't even know it did.
Yeah. Ooh. Can you reel it faster? Dang. That's some ghetto reeling.
I don't have a net.
Good job.
Make sure you gotta use a net.
Yeah. You can come over there.
I barely got it. Barely on the lip.
Yeah.
And this is a natural one.
How can you tell?
Let me get my fly out.
Okay.
You can tell because it still has all the fins. All the fins.
So pretty.
Yeah, the one that they raise in a tank. Oh,
Oh no!
the one that they raise in a tank, all the fins will be gone. Alright.
Oh. Oh, you got one. You about to yeet it out of the water for real. Oh yeah, you did. It's on its back.
Yeet it out of the water. I thought it was one of the big ones.
Is it still on there? Oh. What the freak? That's one way to do it. Even though it's illegal. That's also a natural one.
Yeah, we're not keeping that, so it doesn't matter.
Your fingers are way too big for its mouth.
Bruh.
Oh my god. There you go, little fishy. He'll recover, y'all.
They always do that. They're drama queens.
Help him, babe. Flick him in the water a little more. There you go.
Well,
Is that
that's
it?
Yeah. We gotta start hitting home.
Okay.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys again next time.